Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Mystery bag time. It's time for a yarn mystery bag. I love yarn mystery bags. Alright, first off, I do have a tutorial for this hat. You'll find it on my YouTube channel and it's called my Stitch Sampler Beanie. And I do have a tutorial for that blanket afghan on the chair. Now you can find the tutorial on my YouTube channel. It's called Beauty Runs Deep. Or you can find the written pattern in my Etsy shop. Or you can find the whole afghan kit at Mary Maxim. Either way, whether you get the kit, buy the pattern, or just watch the tutorial, it all supports me. And thank you very much. I appreciate all that support. And I apologize if my volume is low on this video. I'm still trying to work out the mic thing and the color thing. When I plug in the mic, the color doesn't show well. I will get it eventually. Please stick with me, okay? I promise. I will get it figured out. And Bagoday will have better videos. Alright, let's open this mystery bag. So I have purchased from this company before. They're actually located not far from me. I like it. Now, their brick and mortar did shut down. I believe it was during COVID. But it's called the Yarn Studio in KZ, Illinois. Maybe you guys remember that video of me going to KZ, Illinois. And I visited her store. This was before COVID. Such a nice woman. Their whole town was like a tourist town. They had like the largest things ever. In her shop, she had the largest crochet hooks. And she's actually, I think, in the Guinness Book World Records for crocheting with the biggest crochet hooks. Anyways, beautiful woman, a very nice woman. And every once in a while, I always say you should sign up to her mailing list. She has mystery bags, and they're always exceptionally good. But she does only allow one mystery bag per person, which is understandable because they're so dang good. So this was $38. I did have to pay $7 shipping, and it got here in 2 days. But you know, KZ's only like an hour away from me. So now she did have different mystery bags this time, like you could choose from. I chose mystery bag with 4 patterns. She didn't have like a straight up mystery bag with just yarn. I think maybe she did. I can't remember. I just chose the $38 one because that's what I got last time. Anyways, enough Bagoday. Let's see what's in the mystery bag. I'm so excited because these are always so good. And I see other people open them on my Facebook page and they're always so good. I mean, I see some Spud and Chloe. Now, I'm not a fan of patterns, but it just came with them. So, like I said, I can't read them. Sorry about my dog there. So this looks like a knit pattern. I do keep them though, for you know, for put them in giveaways or whatnot sometimes. This looks like a knit pattern as well. Oh, there's 4 here. Wow, these are $6 for that pattern. Oh, these are all knit patterns. Well, does me no good. I can't read a pattern. I can't even knit. So that's beautiful. I like that. And then, oh, boot cuffs. I haven't made boot cuffs forever. I have like 3, maybe 4 pairs of boot cuffs on my channel, but they're old videos. I'm gonna make some boot cuffs this fall. Today's, well, it's a making of this video. It's 8/19 of 2023. Those are knit, but anyways, I can make some crochet boot cuffs. I forgot all about boot cuffs, man. They're really cool. All right, enough. I'm gonna quit talking. So that was free. Those are like paid patterns, but they were free in here. Now we want to see the yarn. We want to see the yarn, don't we? Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Simply Worsted Spray by Haiku. Ooh, that feels nice. It smells like a yarn store, which smells excellent if you ask me. Look at this. was $40, and then it's marked down to $20, and now it's in this $38 mystery bag. Wow. Let's see what it is here. It's 55 superwash merino, 28 acrylic, and 17 nylon. 256 meters or 280 yards. 100 grams. The color is called vintage. Hat. I'm making a hat out of this. Oh, it's pretty. So we got a 4-weight, right? 4-weight. That is pretty. I like it. It's a beautiful color. I love anything vintage, antique. Even if it says it in the name, I'm getting it and I'm buying it. That's a nice 4-weight, like an Aran weight. That's nice. Nice. I know a lot of people say Aran is like a 4-weight, you know. I always consider, I don't know if it's just me, but to me, an Aran seems a little thicker than a 4. But, thicker 4 is what it is, I guess. Or it could be considered a thin, bulky. Whatever it is, it's so squishy. It's like squishy, soft merino is what it feels like. That's nice. I'm going to make a hat out of that, 280 yards. Maybe I'll make a cable stitch beanie since I've been doing cables. Look at it. It's got 2 different colors in it. I don't know if you can see it. 2 different neutral colors. It's got a white and then like an off-white and then like kind of a speckly brownish color there. That's gonna make a beautiful gable hat, and that's probably what I'll do with this. Okay. Oh, we got some Spotting Chloe. 3 of them in this sack. Spotting Chloe. Look at this. $17.99 is what it cost. Well, that's what it at her business. It's called Spotting Chloe Stripey Fine Sock. 80% superwash wool, 20 silk, and it's a 50-gram hank. 191 yards or 175 meters. So, you know, I'm not a huge fan of sock weight yarn, but it sure is pretty colors. It looks like Neapolitan ice cream with some gray in it. So there's 3 of those in there that she has at a retail at $17.99. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, her mystery bags are always killer. Killer deals. What is this? What is this? This looks like it could be luxurious. Maybe not, but I don't know. Gosh, it just keeps going behind me. It's attracted to me. I must have static on me. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. I can't pronounce it. It's Italian. There it is. Look at the price on that. $30 for this little bowl. There it is in Italian. Golden line. Superior. Made in Italy. 25 grams. Ooh. 70% cashmere. Of course. Of course. It looks extravagant. Oh, I love her mystery bags. 25% silk and 5% extra fine merino. Ooh, now that's some lightweight yarn. But look, she paired it with this other one, so you could put them together. What's this? This is from the same company, that Italian company. I've never heard of that company before. I love looking at yarns and feeling yarns I've never seen before. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. What is this stuff? 100% extra fine merino, super wash, mercerized. That is interesting. Mercerized. I've never for the life of me heard of mercerized super wash wool. Hey, doesn't mean anything though. That's lots of stuff I've never heard of. That is interesting. Now this stuff is like 0 weight or something. 1 weight, 0 weight. I don't know like if this is even enough. If I put these 2 together, oh my gosh, these are heavenly. Heavenly. If I put those together, I can maybe, just maybe I can make it 2 weight. But I don't know what I would do with it because, you know, there's not a lot here. You guys can give me some ideas on that. Oh, 372 yards in this one. But like I'm saying, that's like a 0 weight. So. And 328 yards in this. So if you put them together, you might have a one or like a 2-weight maybe. What can you do with 328 yards of a 2-weight? Oh, shoot. Headband, like ear warmer. Yeah, yeah. And it'd be luxurious, but ooh, that's nice. That's my, okay, this is my favorite so far. Even though it's like super, super fine, like I like the way she paired these two really, really nice yarns, cashmere and merino, same colors together, so you could put them together and make a nice fuzzy. I'm going to keep those and make a headband. It's not going to make me a hat, but it'll make me a headband. Nice. Her mystery bags are the best. What's this? Spud and Chloe. Oh, it's a pattern. It's a knit pattern. It's a cable hat knit pattern. Us crocheters, we don't get no patterns. I'm just kidding. This is, that pattern is probably enough of this to make a hat. So we got Spud and Chloe again. Yep, that's the yarn it takes for this hat right here. Fine sock, superwash, 80% wool and 20% silk. 248 yards. So this is knit. I know that, like I said, I don't know anything about knit. I'm looking at this. It's like written in a foreign language to me. I have no idea what it says, but I was just trying to see the yardage. 247 yards, 248 yards. Yeah, so she sent the pattern to make a hat out of this. I got any knitters in the house? I want a commission job? Hit me up, hit me up. I'm gonna set that to the side. All right. Okay, let me set that down. I'm almost done, but I tell you, her mystery bags are so amazing. Oh, I got some, this one and one more in here. This is Queensland, I like this yarn, collection. It's the Brisbane. It's pure Australian superwash wool. I've had this plenty of times and made things out of it. It's a nice yarn, but I love wool in general, so that's nice. Nice. We got 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 144 yards, or 132 meters. Now their this label classifies that as a 5-weight. There you go. I think that's a thicker 4, probably just a 4, but you know, everybody sees the weight's different, whatever you think. Oh, the color is so pretty. Porcelain. I like that name. That's beautiful. 13 bucks a hank is what that is. And I got, look at how many she put in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanks of that. All the same color. So I have enough to 144 yards. I could make a super scarf. Haven't made one of those in a long time. Or a smaller scarf and a hat. I don't know. The wheels are turning. I can't use all this yarn. I can't use this lightweight stuff. But I'm keeping this. And I'm going to, I can't use it. I can't. Okay, I got one more in here. And then this is it. Let's see, what's this stuff? Oh, it's lightweight stuff, I think. Okay, this is Americo brand. Chai, is that right? I've never seen this one. We got 56 linen and 44 silk. All right. Now, I can be honest and say that linen, I'm not a huge fan of linen or even a linen blend. I can use it, and I've made a couple tops on my channel out of a linen blend, but it is probably one of my least favorite fibers to work with. But it doesn't mean that this isn't still beautiful. It's a beautiful blue with little flecks in it. See that? Linen feels kind of wiry, but it does soften up after you wash it. So, I'm gonna read it. So they're classing that as a 4-weight. What does that 4-weight? Let's look at that 4-weight. I'm calling it a 3. I'm calling it a 3. What do you guys call it? Straight up 3. Straight up thin 3. Now when I look at it, straight up could be a 2. pushing a 2, then 3. I don't know. It's pretty though. $13 a ball is what it's sold for at a shop. 142 yards or 132 meters, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them at 142 yards. That's nice. Now that was what I got for $38 plus $7 in shipping, but I had to pay tax because I live in Illinois and her shop's in Illinois, so of course Uncle Sam's got to get his, you know. So my total was $48.72. But my gosh, was this bag not worth $48.72 for me? Heck yeah. I love it all. I love this wristband. I mean, just the prices alone. These two right here, if I would have bought it at her shop, would have been more than the bag. More than the bag with the shipping and the tax. I love it all. I love it all. It's so exciting. I won't use this sock yarn. It will go in a giveaway, or I'll give it to my neighbor or something. This I'm definitely going to make a hat out of. Keeping this one for sure. I love it. I want to keep this. I just don't think I can use it to make like an ear warmer for... I just don't... For those of you that I know that use like... Is that enough? If you put these two together and it made like a 2/8, maybe, is 328 yards enough for a knitted hat? Those of you that knit, let me know. I'm just curious. Oh, I love it. These are my favorites, even though I will never be able to use them. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous fiber. I'm just going on and on about it. And I got this one that came with the knit pattern with this, which is awesome. And these and all those knit patterns that are also in a foreign language to me. But what a fun time. Some luxurious fiber that she sent. I just can't get over this one. They're so pretty. I wish I could use small yarns. I could a long time ago, but I can't anymore. But that's okay. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I won't keep this either because, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of linen. But anyways, this is from the Yarn Studio. I do not know if she has any mystery bags left. You'll have to look because I know people on my Facebook page found out she had mystery bags, so they could be gone. I have no idea. But I highly recommend you signing up to her mailing list because she has mystery bags from time to time, and they are always killer, man. They are always worth like so much more. I mean, she makes better mystery bags than I do, and Bagoday makes some good mystery bags. Alright, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys on my next video. I had so much fun. This was such a great mystery bag. She never fails. And like I said, everybody that I see on Facebook that gets mystery bags from her, they're all beautiful. Love her. Bye, guys.